South of the Thames, from London Bridge to Deptford, there is a very long brick viaduct, 5 kilometres or more. It carries several old railways, although obviously now they're all part of Network Rail. If we zoom in a little to an area around Raymouth Road, we can see how the railway bifurcates, and that's an indication of something else that's going on. If we zoom in a little closer, and we can see Raymouth Road along the north side of the railway, 9 tracks on the main viaduct and 2 tracks on the subsidiary viaduct, with a very narrow enclosed space in between. The lets are divided along the lines of the arches, and the let area goes right through, out the other side and into the back space between the 2 viaducts. The viaduct itself is divided into 3 along the lines I'm indicating here. So here we have 4 long viaducts side by side, completely independent, but some of them over some of the length, butting together. If we drop the little man onto the street and have a look at what it looks like from there, we can see that in front of each arch there is a yard. The yards are mostly locked. Very many of these establishments are locked for days and weeks on end, and when we knew there was a problem in here, it took several weeks to get access to the arch in question. If we just run up the street and have a look here, there is an arch which is presumably not tenanted. That looks like a Network Rail fence, and a view right through. So that's looking through 4 sections of viaduct, all at that point having piers in the same place, though in some areas the piers don't coincide. Here we can see some work going on and a long stretch of unenclosed arches. Unfortunately, Google ran straight past it, and it's not possible to look closely at those. Now, I know, because I've been there, that there is a major problem in one pier of one of the 3 linked viaducts in this system. Actually, there isn't a problem anymore because it's been repaired, but that particular pier dropped by about 100 millimetres, presumably over a longish period, actually almost certainly quite a long time ago. I'll try to add some pictures to that shortly, but this is really just to indicate the scale of the problem of inspecting these viaducts.